Hello YouTube, NSWD Tech Tips here. Apologies guys for my gap in with my vlog uploads. Circumstances beyond my control, the usual thing called life. Okay. But here I've a new one for you which you may find useful. Now I'm running an app called Termux, which is a command line Linux emulator, if you like, that runs on Android. On my new Awari P20. Okay, previously, as you probably know, I had the LG G5, but I've now replaced it with this one, which is a beast. Okay, what I want to show you is a way for you to take speed tests from the command line. Okay, using Termux. So the same commands can be used on virtual versions of Linux. So as long as they are Ubuntu based, I believe. Other flavors have their own particular commands for installing these tools, but I'll crack on. Okay, first of all, and I got installed these tools previously. So what we'll have to do is here we go. Right, what you need to do is to install curl. So it's pkg space that should be install. Give me a second. Let's go back. Not install. Yep, that's right, I believe. Curl. Enter. And that installs curl for you. Okay. Next thing I want to do is, excuse me, I've got a bit of a cold going. Okay. Is to install curl. Right. Next thing you want to do is to run the command to start the speed test. And this is the command here. Okay, if you can see it, it's using curl, and it links to this website. So it's curl space --/ and space, and copy that down. I'll put it in the description as well. So in fact, all this is live, so I'll just copy that line there. Okay. Unfortunately, hopefully that's right. Yep. So I'll copy that. Yep. And you just enter that command. Not that. Yep. And it starts it off. So it starts a speed test. And as you can see, shows the upload and download speeds. Okay. And there it is. So my download, as you can see, 66.40 megabits a second, and my upload is 17.94. Okay. And that's how you carry out a command line speed test using Linux or Termux on Android. Okay. Hope this was helpful to you. NSWD Tech Tips signing off. Please subscribe, like and share. Have a nice day.